Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in mobile payment apps with Venmo, detailed guide step by step clearly. Investing in mobile payment apps like Venmo can be a strategic move. First, familiarize yourself with the mobile payment sector. Research the overall market trends and key players. Understand how Venmo differentiates itself from competitors. Create an account on Venmo if you haven't already. Explore the app's features and how they work. Consider the benefits Venmo offers, such as social payments and ease of use. Look into Venmo's user demographics to understand its audience. Review Venmo's revenue model and how it generates income. Analyze recent financial reports or news about Venmo's parent company, PayPal. Investigate the potential for growth in the mobile payment industry. Identify any risks associated with investing in mobile payment apps. Set your investment goals and risk tolerance. Start with a small investment to gauge performance. Use a brokerage account to purchase shares in PayPal. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Keep track of your investments and market trends regularly. Stay informed about updates and changes in Venmo's services. Engage with online communities to gather insights on mobile payment trends. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with market changes. Consider seeking advice from financial experts if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.